you need to start off with a bit of methodology, because hacking into an application, all applications are all different, and they all have, they're all built with different technologies. So you need to have an approach, and that approach can be generalized, but it also needs to fine tune into what you're going to attack or what you're going to try and exploit. So the methodology that I always follow is I'll start with enumeration. Enumeration is the process of just finding information about the thing that you're targeting, what it's built on, if you can find any usernames, what kind of server backend it's hosted on, that sort of stuff. And then you'll move on to trying to identify any vulnerabilities in the stuff you've discovered. Let's say it's built with an old framework it's not been updated for a while, and that framework has a known vulnerability. So that's your misconfiguration or your vulnerability. You then go off to exploit that, and that exploitation might be a multitude of things. It could be gaining access to someone's user account. It could be getting a shell on the underlying server, and then you do some post-exploitation where you maintain your access somehow, or it might be that you've identified a user and then you're going to brute force their password, and then you just keep sort of going around the circle until you've reached your goal. So hacking applications, the most important way to start is by identifying as much information about it as you can, really.